Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1987 GMC 1500 Sierra Classic short box 4-wheel drive pickup. Killer truck, man. Good, solid, straight body. This is the factory color combination. The truck has been repainted. It is a dark brown metallic, very dark too. It almost looks black. Most impressive thing about this truck, guys, it is clean. Most of these things I go look at, they're pretty rusted. And when you crawl underneath this thing, wait to see the pictures of the bottom. This thing is clean as can be. It has been restored. Wheels and tires and lift kit, that stuff's brand new. It's got a rough country lift kit with the springs, the shocks, and then it's got all brand new BF Goodrich all-terrain TAs with 15-inch Pacer aluminum wheels. Again, truck has been repainted. That is the factory color. I think all this stuff is original. I think this truck's got the original bumpers on it. There's definitely the original bumper guards. I think all this stuff here, the trim and stuff's original on the truck. You can tell this has always been a nice truck. Dual chrome mirrors. Black on this feet. Tinted glass. They Rhino line the bed, which is nice, makes it very usable. Dual tank option, and yes, they work. A couple little marks I see here. Clean, solid, straight, short box right there. Killer little truck. I love this kind of stuff. So much fun to drive. They are so popular now, especially with the cost of new trucks. That's why you see a lot of people driving this stuff. And this one drives good. Doesn't have a huge lift kit. I think it's 2-inch. You see the wheels and tires. Look how clean the frame and stuff is. All brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust. Clean truck. Of course, 87, first year for the fuel injection, 5.7 liter fuel injected engine, 700 R4 automatic overdrive trans. Pretty much bone stock underneath the hood. He said you can see it's got a new compressor on it. They said it just went through the air. Stock intake, exhaust manifolds, really clean. Look at the front frame. Factory jacks there. That's the original paint on your firewall and in the engine compartment. Actually, in the door jambs has the original paint on it as well. Pretty truck. A little touch-up mark. There's a little touch-up. You put a little touch-up thing in the glove box too. But it is a factory GM color. And these are all original. Original mirrors. A little mark on the door. Looks like the original door handles. Oh, we're missing a little. I'll get you one of those. Little black thing that's come off there. Again, this is the original paint. Look how nice this truck is. That's the original paint in here. All the original interior. Little split there. power windows, power locks, that stuff works. Man, this is the original seat, but man, I think this thing has been redone. It's too firm. There's no way that's original. I mean, these things kind of broke down, so I think it's been redone. I think it's been repadded, refoamed. Again, look how clean this is in here. Tilt column, showing 95.74. I'm sure that's 109. He said there's not very many miles on the truck since they actually redid it. You can see how nice the dash pad is. You got an aftermarket Sony sound system in it. The original SPED tag and owner's manuals in the glove box. If you're seeing that, it's just a little spray wax that they missed. Again, just a really clean truck, man. And again, drives out great. Really hit the road good. Shifts good. Again, automatic overdrive trans. It's got the factory rear axle with a 373 limited slip. Again, look how clean that truck is. When I go look at most of them, they're pretty rotted out on the bottom. Again, same thing. This is the original paint in here. Look how clean those doors are. Seats really nice. Go ahead, Nathan. Everything seemed to be working on it. Just kicked your air on. Like I say, air blows cold. Good truck. Power windows, yeah, that stuff all worked. All the gauges are functional, holding good oil pressure. Everything opens and closes real nice. Backup lights work. Somebody's gonna like that truck right there. It's just a good truck. Radio works, lower motor works, again, dual tanks work, four-wheel drive works real good. Again, everything opens and closes nice. Somebody's loved that truck. That's been a good truck, you can tell. Somebody's just kept that thing real nice. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Look how nice that thing is. Have a great day, guys!